Today we're going to talk about a legend that revolutionized the automotive world and still divides opinions to this day. A machine that carries Ferrari's DNA, but also the weight of a controversy that shocked the automotive industry. Buckle up because you're about to discover the history of the Ferrari F40, a masterpiece or a provocation to the future of motorsports. Let's find out together. The Ferrari F40 was born at a decisive moment for the brand. It's the 80s, a decade of excesses, innovations, and intense rivalries in the world of supercars. Enzo Ferrari, the brand's founder, wanted to celebrate 40 years of his creation with a model that was pure, visceral, and above all, worthy of carrying the Ferrari name. The result? A car that wasn't designed to please everyone, but to be the pinnacle of performance. Its aggressive design, by Pininfarina, looked more like a race car than a street vehicle. But what really shocked the world was its minimalist approach. No luxury, no compromises, just raw performance. Under the hood, the heart of the F40 is a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine, producing an impressive 478 horsepower. And what does that mean in practice? A top speed of 202 miles per hour, and acceleration from 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds. But the real highlight is the weight. Weighing in at just 2,425 pounds, thanks to the pioneering use of materials like carbon fiber and Kevlar, the F40 was a true featherweight compared to its competitors. But this obsession with lightness brought controversy. The Spartan interior, with no air conditioning, no sound system, and simple finishes, made many critics wonder, is this a luxury car or just an expensive track toy? And this is where the story of the F40 gets interesting. Many loved the boldness, the brutality, and the connection it provided between driver and machine. Others, however, considered the car a step backwards, accusing Ferrari of ignoring the technological advances that were already shaping the industry. To make matters worse, there was also the issue of price. At the time, the F40 cost about $400,000, a fortune, and yet all 1,315 units produced sold out quickly, proving that, controversies aside, it had a loyal following willing to pay the price of exclusivity. Today, the Ferrari F40 is seen as a timeless icon. For many, it represents the last breath of an era when cars were made to thrill, not just to impress on spec sheets. Its legacy is undeniable. It inspired generations of supercars and remains a centerpiece in Ferrari's history. What about you? What do you think of this legend? A bold masterpiece or an unnecessary exaggeration? Leave your opinion in the comments, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing stories from the automotive world. Ferrari F40, more than a car, a statement. Until the next video.